Ladies and gentlemen, tonight as we gather in the spirit to welcome our new GM. At the same time, and on behalf of everyone, here our team, our partners, and our guests would like to take a moment to pay a tribute or extend our profound gratitude to our ex-GM, Mr. Zingal.
We're very excited in Houston because of the fact that not only do we have this new general manager, but again, it's one of those things that we really appreciated. But we want to make sure that we've got our new general manager here. He's got Texas, and so we want to make sure that you're aware
of the Republic of Turkey, the Honorable Consul-General Mr. Mehmed.
Pleasure to join you at this beautiful event organized by Turkish Airlines, an airliner company that is not just a Turkish national flag carrier, but also a global bridge builder connecting different parts of the world via Istanbul, Turkey. First, allow me to speak about the rich culture of Turkey, a land of exceptional diversity, deep history, and boundless hospitality. Finally, I would like to introduce and I would like to invite Mr. Mehmed Zingal for his remarks. Please, let's give him a huge round of applause. Thank you.
It's not merely an airline, it's a global icon of Turkish hospitality, a bridge connecting continents, cultures, and people. It's a source of our national pride. As the airline flying to more countries than any other carrier in the world is a testament to this unique mission. We have been consistently recognized for our excellence, winning Best Airline in Europe for the 10th time and achieving World Business Class catering. And I'm stepping into this role at a pivotal time as we look forward not just to the next quarter, but to our visionary 2033 strategy. This is our collective flight plan for the next decade. Over the next decade, we will focus on Uruguay's fleet expansion, pushing past the 800 aircraft mark. We will become a top 3 global airline in digitalization, leveraging AI and innovation to redefine the passenger experience from booking to arrival. These ambitious goals require a unified effort. My philosophy is rooted in collaboration and transparency. I am here to listen, to learn from your immense expertise, and to provide the tools and environment necessary for our partners in order to thrive, to contribute to our shared success. To our travel partners, we thank you for your support, and to our colleagues, your commitment to safety, service, and operational excellence is what defines Turkish Airlines brand. I thank you all for your contribution, joining us tonight, and thank to my team to organize this amazing event. Thank you very much.
Okay.